A police officer is suspended for his alleged involvement in corruption. Is this a fever? Is this a trend? So many are happening. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Below 7 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. Yet another police has landed himself in trouble with the law. So a police constable assigned to the Marine Division has been suspended by the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF after being charged with breaches of the Corruption and Prevention Act. Reports are that on Thursday the 9th of July 2020, investigators from the Inspectorate and Professional Standard Oversight Bureau arrested Constable Craigston Myrtle after he was reportedly soliciting money from a man not to destroy his marijuana field. Now, this cop is caught in a controversy based on the fact that he was carrying out an operation in an area when he saw this ganja field, and his intended target was to destroy the ganja field. However, he tried to solicit money from this man, which then made a report to the police, and he was taken into custody based on the allegations made against him. In the meantime, it was reported that the constable was among a group of police officers who arrested 6 men on Wednesday the 8th of July 2020 for breaches of the Dangerous Drug Act. Arguments were made between the constable and the alleged man that was arrested that owned the ganja field for the money to be paid in order to prevent the destruction of the marijuana field. Subsequently, an operation was carried out by the Professional Standard Oversight Bureau, and the police officer was held collecting the money. His colleague acted swiftly, and a file was sent to the Office of Director of Public Prosecution for a ruling. On Wednesday, July 15, 2020, the ruling was made on the matter, and the police was charged the following day with 2 counts of breaches of the Corruption Prevention Act and soliciting and receiving money. The embattled cop appeared in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court and was offered bail with some sureties. He was ordered to surrender his travel documents and to report to the police once per week as a condition of his bail. Now you have seen how this police officer has thrown away his entire police career based on the fact that he tried to solicit money from a person that he was intended to charge for breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. Now this still remains a mystery whether or not the police is actually guilty of the offense based on the fact that he is yet to be charged with the offense. However, the file has been sent to the Director of Public Prosecution for a ruling. So based on that, these are still allegations against the cop until he is found guilty of the offense. So the officers that were on site became very suspicious of Sigri's action, and a search of the police personnel on location was done, and the money was found in possession of the police officer. A file was prepared and sent to the Director of Public Prosecution for a ruling, but the fact that the allegations were made against the cop, that is a cause for concern. So we'll just follow this one, and we'll always try to keep you up to date with this one in particular. However, it's a sad situation when we see things like these playing out, and how police officers are easily swindled into accepting money or bribes in order to stop a criminal activity from going on, or continuing, I should say. But it's just one of those situations that we have seen played out once more, and we just hope that the authorities just try to find a way and means of putting a dent in such activities, especially whenever money is involved. We're gonna leave this one here for now. This has been Links Below 7 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for this one once more. Have a blessed day. Peace.